How to delete your IMO account permanently on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove your account for good in just a few steps. First, open the IMO app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top left of the screen. From there, tap on Settings to open your account settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Account and Security to open your account options. In the next step, look for the Delete IMO Account option and tap on it. Let me show you. From there, IMO will show you a warning, letting you know that deleting your account will permanently remove all your data, including your contacts, messages, and chat history. At this stage, if you're sure you want to proceed, tap on Continue or Delete Account to move forward, and tap on Confirm to verify your identity. From there, tap on Delete Account one final time to permanently remove your IMO account. At this stage, your account will now be scheduled for deletion and all your data will be permanently wiped from IMO servers. All your messages, contacts, and account history will be gone permanently, so make sure you've saved anything important before proceeding. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete your IMO account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.